one kick in Ricardo Cavalcanti, demonstrating the gun takeaway for a headshot. The first thing I have to do when he walks up on me is get him to talk, because it's almost been proven that you're not going to shoot while you're talking. So as soon as I can get him to say something is when I'm going to make my attack.
Give me money.
What do you want?
Give me money.
What do you want?
Give me money.
Right here. I can take the gun in, shoot his foot. Here. Back around. Now the gun's on him.
Okay. Give me the money.
What do you want?
Give me the money.
If his finger gets stuck in the trigger, it's really bad for him. Sometimes they have the finger in the trigger, so the gun may go off here. As I go, what do you want? He talks. The gun may shoot right here, which is good for me. Then I grab under. His finger's trapped here. I grab the finger. I pull. His finger's still on the trigger, so if he tries to squirm here, he's probably going to shoot himself. Or I can shoot him.
Another variation with the back. Give me money. Yeah.
Need a belly. One more time.
Give me the money. Yeah. One more move for One Kick Cavalcanti self-defense system. Come to check it out. Our website onekickgym.com or rcjujitsu.com. Thank you.